Dear students, today's topic is Ziegler-Natta polymerization. Ziegler-Natta polymerization is used for the polymerization of vinyl and other unsaturated monomers. A mixture of TiCl4 and triethyl aluminium in hydrocarbon solvent is known as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. That means TiCl4 plus AlEt3 together in hydrocarbon solvent is known as Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta polymerization produces stereoregular polymers. Now we will go in detail about the Ziegler-Natta polymerization. Here we know titanium tetrachloride TiCl4 we are using for the catalyst, and TiCl4 has a crystal structure with titanium atom coordinated to 5 chlorine atom. So actually titanium atom is coordinated with 6 chlorine atom in the crystal structure, but on the surface titanium is surrounded with chlorine. So in the bulk it will be coordinated to 6, but on the surface it will be coordinated to 5 chlorine atom, and so the 6th site is vacant. So here we can see each chlorine atom is bonded with other titanium atom. So this chlorine also connected with other titanium atom, but on the surface here this titanium will be coordinated to only 5 chlorine atom. So 6th coordination site is vacant. Now let us discuss the mechanism. Actually the reaction takes place in 3 steps: formation of active catalyst, initiation and the propagation. So the Ziegler-Natta active catalyst preparation is start from TiCl4 catalyst plus AlEt3. So as I told you earlier, in a crystal structure on the surface Ti is bonded with 5 chlorine atom and the 6th site is vacant. So here this one is Ti, Cl, 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 5 chlorine atom, and this is a vacant space and it is connected with AlEt3. So here we know Al having positive charge and Et is minus charge. So this Et, this ethyl group will shift towards this vacant space and this chlorine atom will move outside. So here this vacant site is occupied by the ethyl group and one of the chlorine atom will be removed from this titanium space. So what will happen here? This titanium, here 4 chlorine atoms are there and this site will be occupied by here Et. And what will happen here? This chlorine atom is removed from this titanium sphere. So here one vacant space will be created. So this structure, this compound is known as active Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So in the initiation step, the alkene molecule will be coordinated to this active site. So first step is formation of active catalyst. So in the formation of active catalyst, this TiCl5 having one coordination site and it is occupied by AlEt3. So one of the ethyl group will be moved towards this active site. So Et will be there and the chlorine atom will be removed from this site. So it will form an active center here. So step 2 is initiation. So this is a Ziegler-Natta active catalyst. So this active catalyst will be treated with our monomer. It can be a vinyl or alkene or any unsaturated compound. So here the CH2 double bond CHR is the monomer. So this monomer will be attached towards this active site. So this double bond in alkene attaches itself to the vacant site on titanium atom on the surface of the catalyst. So here this CH2 double bond CHCl will be inserted here and it will form a pi complex. So the double bonded alkene attaches to a vacant site of titanium atom and it will form a pi complex. This pi complex is not stable, so it has to be rearranged. So this double bond will be shifted or changed to single bond. Then only it will form a stable compound. So before forming a stable compound, it will undergo a transition state or the intermediate. So we can write it as Ti, Cl, 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 here ET, then here CH2, then this double bond will be broken. So here CH2, sorry, here this will be CHR because our monomer is CH2 double bond CHR. So that R can be hydrogen or any alkyl group. Then this CHR will be bonded to this ethyl group. So the new bond will be formed towards this ET. So ET CHR bond will be formed. Then here also titanium CH2 one sigma bond will be formed. This double bond will be broken. So when this CHR is attached to ethyl group, this titanium ethyl bond will be weakened. So this will be going to break. So this titanium ethyl bond will be broken, and here this titanium CH2. So this double bond will be broken because here a new sigma bond is formed and this electron will move towards this CH2. This titanium ethyl bond will be broken. So here this titanium will be positive and the CH2 negative. It will form a sigma bond here. So the product formed will be Ti, Cl, 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 then CH2, CHR, ET. So how we can write? This titanium ethyl bond will be broken as this CHR is attached to ethyl group. This bond is weakened and become titanium and ethyl because this titanium ethyl bond will be broken. So we can write it as Ti, here Cl, here Cl, then here Cl, then here Cl, then this will be CH2, then here CHR, then ET. So when this titanium ethyl bond is broken, here titanium one active site will be or one empty site will be created. So in the initiation step, a carbon shift reaction occurs and the ethylene migrates and is inserted between titanium and the carbon atom in Ti-ET bond. Because earlier it was only Ti-ET. So this alkyl group is inserted between this Ti and ET. So this process, this extends the carbon chain from 2 to 4 atoms, leaving vacant site on titanium. So the carbon number extends from 2 to 4 and it creates a vacant site in titanium atom. So the step 3 is propagation step. Propagation means this chain reaction will continue. So here we are adding another monomer molecule. So one vacant site is there. So this monomer molecule will attach towards this vacant site of titanium atom. So it will form like this: Ti, Cl, 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 then CH2, CHR, ET, and here this vacant site that alkene molecule will be inserted. That means CH2 double bond CHR will be inserted. That will be attached towards this titanium vacant space and this pi complex will be formed. So after this pi complex is not stable, so it will be inserted towards this titanium atom and it will form an intermediate state. So we can write it as titanium, here Cl, here Cl, here Cl, here Cl, then here CH2, CHR, ET, then this CH2 double bond here, this double bond will be broken and this CH2 will attach towards this titanium atom. Then this double bond will become single bond. So this CHR will be attached towards this CH2. So it will be like this. Here CH2, then here double bond will be broken. So CHR. So as this double bond is shifting towards a single bond, this CHR will form a new bond with this CH2. This state is known as the transition state. So this is a cyclic transition state. So here a new bond is going to form between titanium and CH2, and this double bond is going to break to single bond. So CHR, this CH2 is going to become a bond. So this titanium CH2 bond will be weakened. So this is going to break. This titanium CH2 bond is going to break. So what will happen? The product form will be this titanium CH2 bond will become a single bond. So it will be CH2, CHR, then CH2, CHRET, because this titanium CH2 bond will be broken and this group will be inserted between this CH2, CHRET group. So we can write it as Ti, here Cl, here Cl, here Cl, here Cl, then it will be CH2, CHR, CH2, CHRET. So this titanium CH2 bond is broken. So it will form a vacant space in titanium. So in the next step, again another alkene molecule will be inserted towards this titanium vacant space. Then it will form a pi complex, then transition state, then the chain length will be increased. So during the polymerization reaction, N monomers are added, then the polymer chain will be added linearly. So the polymer chain will continue. So when we are getting the desired length, we have to stop the polymerization. For that we have to do the termination. So this is the representation. Catalyst means that TiCl4. This part is catalyst. So catalyst CH2, CHR, CH2, CHRET. That is CH2, CH3 is ET. So we can do internal hydride transfer to terminate the chain. So internal hydride transfer means from here one hydride ion will be shifted towards this catalyst. So it will be CAT, catalyst hydrogen. That means one hydrogen atom will move towards this titanium group. So catalyst hydrogen. So it will be here. Hydride ion H minus will be moved from here. So this C will be positive charge and this CH2 will be having negative charge as a catalyst. Positive ion is moving from here. So CH2 will be negative. So this CH2 double bond Cr, then CH2 CHR n times CH2 CH3. So we are getting a stereo regular polymers using this Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So this type of polymerization of alkenes using Ziegler-Natta catalyst is known as Ziegler-Natta polymerization. So dear students, I hope Ziegler-Natta polymerization is clear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.